Welcome to my YouTube channels. So today what I am going to discuss Engineering Mechanics Unit 1, find the resultant and direction of the given of forces. Previous video analysis I given but some not good visibility. Again I am uploading this video. So what is actually system of forces? System of forces is nothing but if group of force acting together at a particular point. Suppose this is the point, or see the example. Suppose one block is there, this point, and lot of force will act in different direction. This is called system of forces. Then they're asking what is the resultant? What is the resultant and direction? That means the system of force, if will combine together, will get one single force. That force is known as resultant force. So this block will drag at a particular direction. So what is the direction? This we have to find out. And resultant, all the force will combine, will get one symbol like single force. This is called resultant. And from here, how much direction that block will move. Because simple example, suppose 5 persons is there that dragging that block, but any one direction that block will go. So that is called resultant. So that is called system of force. So, okay. So here what they are asking, find the resultant and direction of the given system of force. The given, what is horizontal force? The given 20 kilonewton. Then after 70 degree 25. Then this angle between 25 and 70 is 40. Between 70 and 30 50. And then with horizontal 40 degree the given, and magnitude given 20 kilonewton, 25 kilonewton, 70 kilonewton, 30 kilonewton, 40 kilonewton. So where this resultant and where will be the direction? That will find here. That will find here. So look here. How will find it? So many method is there. One simple method I will draw. One simple method I will solve this question. This method is known as tabular column method. So what we'll write here first? Serial number I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because 5 forces is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces is there. So what is the name of the forces? Suppose this we are giving 0. Here we are giving A. So this is called OA. So this is OA. So first one will be the OA. Second, if you give B, this name gives C, this name gives D, this name gives E. So OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. So name of the forces given. So this method, what is beauty is there, na? Everything what is there in the diagram will represent, automatically problem will get solved. But what is the technical term, technically how will solve, that also I will tell you. So name of the forces. Now magnitude of the forces. Name of the forces over magnitude means what is given for OA. OA they given 20 kilonewton. OB they given 25 kilonewton. Then OC they given 70 kilonewton. Then OD they given 30 kilonewton. 30 kilonewton. Then OE they given 40 kilonewton. So this we wrote all the magnitude I wrote. Now direction of the force. Direction means angle. Particular force, which angle is there. So OA means horizontal force. Already you know, suppose force is horizontal F1. Here theta is equal to 0 degree. If this will be the vertical, theta will be 90 degree. That we discussed already. So 0 degree. So here not given angle, but I know horizontal force will be 0 degree. Now OB always will take with respect to the right side first. OA with respect to OA horizontal will take all the angle. That also method. So O to A 70 degree. So you can say like here for understanding 0 plus 70 degree is known as 70 degree. So I wrote this 70 degree. Now this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one how much? 70 plus 40 equal to 160 degree. 110 degree. This is called 110 degree. OC will be 110 degree. Now we'll take OD. OD na 110 plus 50. So we can say 110 plus 50. It will come 160 degree. Now next, angle is here. So we are taking from the with respect to first horizontal. This taken 70, then this taken, then this taken. Now we will take this one. This one how much? 180 plus 40. 180 plus 40. It will come 220 degree. So already we wrote all the directions of the forces I wrote. First one is 0, second one is 70, third one is this. 1, 2, third one is this. Suppose this is the here. And fourth one is 220, 110. So I wrote all. So directions over. Now horizontal force, vertical force is there. What is it here? What we'll do here? Horizontal force I'll write here cos component. Here also I'm writing cos. Why I'm writing that I will tell you. Already I told so many times, but again I will tell cos. Vertical means we'll write only sine and sine I wrote. Why I wrote? You see here. Suppose one right angle triangle is there. This angle is theta. This is P, this is H, this is V. So, based on the Pythagoras theorem, what we know, suppose we will consider here sine theta. Sine theta is equal to P by H, perpendicular by the opposite. So, what is the P by H? Then P is equal to what we can say? Vertical force. V is nothing but horizontal force. P nothing but vertical by H. So, H is equal to what is coming? FV sine theta. That means vertical force, what is magnitude? What is sine terms? Sine terms. Now, cos na V by H. Cos theta. You can say cos theta. Cos theta nothing but this, suppose this angle theta. V by H. V is nothing but horizontal. FH by H. So what is horizontal force equal to H cos theta. So what I am trying to say here, if we are taking the horizontal force, we will take the cos component. If we will take the vertical, we will write the sine. So I wrote sine. So what is this method? Blind method. Anyone, if you know the technique or you know the process, you can solve the question. So what I did, you filled, till now we filled seeing the diagram. Now I wrote cos horizontal, cos vertical, sine. Now what we'll do? Now see here. Now both side, left side force, right side 20 degree angle. 25 force, right side 70 degree. Again 70 force 110 degree. 30 160. Just both sides will add. Now this is 40 Newton force. Then here 220 degree. So this we wrote. Similarly here 20 sine 0, 25 70 degree, 70 kilonewton 110 degree, then 30 kilonewton 160 degree, then 40 220 degree. I filled this all. Seeing this I filled all. No technique required here. So draw the tabular column, write all the serial number, name of the forces, magnitude of the forces, direction of forces means angle, horizontal forces, vertical forces. We fill this. Now what we'll do? If we'll add this total, add means this is called summation. So these things I'll write it now here. So if we'll add, that is called summation FH. Summation means total of the all the horizontal forces. So 20 cos 0 degree. Value directly I am writing. 20 cos 0 degree. If you write value here itself, 20 into 1, 20. If you write 25 cos 70. Cos 70 now, if you angle now, you can write bracket, that will looks good. So this bracket angle 60 degree to 20 degree. So if you write here itself value, so value is there with me. So directly I will write this value. So 25 cos 70, 8.55. You write here equal to 8.55. 70 cos 110. So it will come minus 23.5. 94. If you will see this value will come 28.19. 28.19. So you can write directly here also, don't need to write there. This is 30.642. This is called 30.642. So again I am writing here. Okay. So first one is 20 cos 0 is called 20 plus 8.55 minus 23.94, that is value cos 70 into cos 110, 30 into cos 170, this also is coming minus. So this will be the minus 28.19, this also minus 30.642. So we'll check the value. Cos 0, 0, 20, 8.55, 23.94 minus 28.19 and 30 point this. So if we'll add this, this will be the add and this total will be the minus. So what will be that? Both I'm writing here. So this will come 28.55 minus this side will come 82.722. So this value is coming minus 54.22, minus 54.222 kilonewton, because all the force are given in kilonewton. So sigma Fs, total force cap. Similarly, sigma Fv is equal to, so what we'll do, we'll add all those things. So I'm not writing here because it looks complicated. Eh? So directly value, sin 0, 0. So I write 0. If we take sin 70, 25, it will come 23.492 plus 23.492. Then again plus sin 110 into 70, it will come 65.78. Then 30 into sin 60, it will come 10.261. 10.261. Then last one sin 220 into 40, it will come minus it will come 25.77. 25.711. So this value, if you will see this, total you have to add, this you have to add. So how much is coming? 99.533. 99.533 minus 25.711 is coming 73.822. 73.822 kilonewton. So this both value now we know. What we know? This is sigma Fs. This is sigma Fv. So we added. Now negative and positive came. Now how this coming? If we'll tell the little concept, technically concept. So this diagram is there. See here. This, then this 70 degree. Then I'm writing this is 0 degree. This is 70 degree. This 110 degree. And this we are taking from this now, it is 160 degree from the beginning. Then this coming 1 to 20 degree. See this all the forces. What is the technically, how we know? So you know the sign convention. This will be the Fh positive, this the Fv positive, this is Fh positive, but here Fh negative, this is Fv negative. So sign convention will be positive, positive, negative, negative. Now you look here. If you are going sign convention, this is blind method. Now this, how will resolve? Resolve means this, suppose this inclined force is there. It will resolve with respect to horizontal, draw one line and mutually perpendicular. This is the resolution of the 25. This angle is 70, this also 70. Similarly, you have to resolve this vertical angle. It will resolve this vertical angle. It will resolve this vertical angle. Now see here, which one will come negative? First you see the horizontal. Horizontal, this will come positive. This horizontal will come positive, this positive, this will come negative, this will come negative, this will come negative, because negative direction. See, 3 negative came now. 1, 2, 3 negative came. First one, second one, third one came negative. Vertical force is positive. So see here, this horizontal. Here vertical force will be 0. So sin 0, so 0 came. Now here positive. Here positive. here positive, but here coming negative. So one negative came already. So that calculator if will operate, if you go the technically or blind method, this calculator will get the negative sign. So if this is the technical concept, if you are ignoring this also, this problem you can solve, fill the table, add, you got. Now resultant formula will be there. What is resultant formula? R equal to sigma fh whole square plus sigma fb whole square root under. This is the formula for this. If you see the value, what is this one? Minus 54.22 whole square plus 73.822 whole square. If you writing here, if you solve this value is coming, already we solved, this value is coming 91.596 kilonewton. This is called our resultant. This is our resultant came. What they are asking? Find the resultant. So resultant over. Now direction. So directions how we will find? So look here. Directions means theta is equal to sigma fb by sigma fh. Sigma fb by sigma fh. What is the sigma fb? 73.822. Then this value will be minus 54.22. This. So if you say tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to. If you take theta is equal to tan inverse this value is coming minus 1.3615. So theta will come here minus 53.71, minus 53.71 degree. This value came here. So these things I grab it here. So this is the direction scheme. We got the direction. So what the question asking? Find the resultant and direction. So resultant is this, direction is this. That means all the system force we combine together, we got the one force. And that force, that block where they will drag, that only we have to represent in the answer. Suppose you see here, we taken this 4 axis. Now this is sigma fh positive, this is sigma fh negative, this is sigma fb positive, this is sigma fb negative. So now see what is coming horizontal, negative. So that means our force is this only. This you can write this 54.222 kilonewton. Now vertical how much? This only, because positive coming. So how much this one? 73.822 I wrote. Now angle is negative coming. So always what we taken now, we taken from the OA. So if you are represent OA now, what will be the 180 minus, if we will substitute here, theta is equal to 180 minus 53.71. This value is coming approximately how much I calculated? 180. So 126.29. 126.29 degree. Now look here how to represent.